If you're anything like me, you like to be ready for anything. And when it comes to emergency preparedness, I only trust Judy. With 4 expert-designed emergency products, I have complete peace of mind that my family will be protected. With Judy Power, we're able to stay connected and charged in the event of a winter storm or natural disaster. Or, say, a wildfire sweeps through and my family and I have to evacuate. The Judy Protector is a 6-person emergency preparedness kit that can sustain all members of my family for up to 72 hours. And with the Judy Safe, we have life-saving survival essentials stored in a water and puncture-proof case that's all organized for easy access. And finally, the Mover Max is a 100% waterproof backpack that's fully portable and can sustain a family of 4 for up to 72 hours. When it comes to protecting my family, I can never be too prepared. That's why I chose to prepare the right way, with Judy.